This is not a drill. 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 This is not a drill.
There have been numerous reports of an unknown entity in your area. This creature has been making victims disappear, and sightings have been captured when people say not to look at it, as they call the entity. This entity can appear for one person in windows, and other people are unable to see it. Due to these instances, we advise you to 1. Stay indoors. 2. Lock the doors. 3. Close all curtains, and be well supplied. Stay safe, and alert your relatives about this news, and be safe from it.